Hello everybody. In today's video we're gonna be making seeing money making methods, and I'm gonna show you the easiest way right now. First you're gonna need an axe, and you might see over here I'm making a pumpkin farm, and make sure to subscribe. I'll put the IP on screen, donutsmp.net. And I'm trying to get media. When I get media, I'll do a bunch of FFAs. And make sure to pay me. IGN is YZ123. I'll add that also. And yeah. First money making method is going to be chopping some wood. And as you can see, it's pretty effective. Either you can do slash sell and sell them 16 per, or you can do slash log, or, and you can see the prices, you can sell for even more. I'm gonna get a couple of stacks. I'm gonna sell in the auction house. I'm gonna show you how rich I can get out of it. Okay guys, I got a little bit of wood, guys, not that much, but if I just go like log, then we can see how much it costs. The cheapest log is for 6k. Slash sell 5.99k. So sell for $1 less. As you guys can see right now, I'm mining some dirt and for the next farm, and I'm showing you. I just sold a spruce log for 5k, and it was really worth it. As you can see, this is my friend here, okay, guys? And he's in hide, and I have the NFS here. I'm buying not a skelly from him, but I'm buying something else from him. I'm buying a creeper spawner for 200k, 250k. Creeper spawner and slash pay. And that's please don't spam him, okay? And that's okay, guys. Next method is berries. I know I don't have an auto berry farm, but I have one in my base. I'll show you guys. Basically berries, they sell for a lot, but if you're in the new version of donutsmp season 2, if you do slash sell, like slash sell, you can see one sweet berry is worth 14. If you do slash order, and then write sweet berry, it goes to a lot of numbers like that. I just put that in there, and that get a lot of money. If I do slash home, I'll show you one of the farms. this. And as you can see, it's dispensing the bone meal. And then you can use one design, but this one's more like, I guess you can say, efficient maybe. Just have to do this. And if you want, you can do S3MP or something. I totally forgot. And yeah. The next method is a sugarcane farm. Sugarcane farm makes a lot of money. I recommend getting a creeper spawner, which I have right here earlier in the video. And you can get some of it and then make it into some fireworks. And I have 15 because I got some earlier. Slash sell, or you can do such fire. And you can see the prices. I feel like it's more efficient to do slash sell. And you can make one row. I made two just for the sake of this video. And in general, I just like sugarcane farms. Like melon and pumpkin and stuff is good too. I don't have any of those farms, but when I do, I will do. When I do, guys, I'll make a video about those and I'll show you how good they are, overpowered they are. As you guys, if you guys watch Kelp Talk's video, it showed that you can eat the pumpkin farms, sugarcane farms, all of them can make a lot of money without a single dollar of a spawner. Yes, you can get spawners, but if you don't have that much money for spawners, I recommend the other methods, or other methods like sugarcane farms and other stuff. These actually sell for a lot, man. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not even joking.